Hello students, today we shall study properties of acids. Acids. As you know, acids are chemical substance. They are sour in taste. Acids convert blue litmus paper red. Acids can be natural or man-made. It is first point, that is acids. Second point, mineral acids. Acids obtained from the minerals of the earth Acids obtained from minerals of the earth are known as mineral acids. They are man-made. Mineral acids are man-made. Examples of mineral acids are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid. Their chemical formula H2SO4 sulfuric acid, HNO3 nitric acid, HCl hydrochloric acid. Thus, acids are chemical substance. They are sour in taste. They convert blue litmus paper into red litmus paper. Acids can be natural or man-made, and minerals, acids which are obtained from minerals of the earth, they are man-made. Examples are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acids. Organic acids. So these are natural acids. Yeah, nature occurring acid. These are natural acids. That is, these are obtained by plants or animals. For example, vinegar, which is known as sirka in Hindi, contain acetic acid. So we can write source and name of acid present in that. in vinegar or sirka, acetic acid is present. In curd, lactic acid is present. In citrus fruit, citric acid. Citrus fruit like lemon, orange, etc. Then tamarind, tartaric acid is present. Tomatoes, oxalic acid is present. When ant bite, then our skin become reddish, so that is due to the methanoic acid. That is, in ant sting, methanoic acid is present. Similarly, there is a plant known as nettle plants. The leaf of the nettle plant also cause sting, and that also contain methanoic acid. So thus we have observed there are various organic acid which are obtained from or present in plants or plant product and in animal. So we have studied that acids are sour in taste, they can change red litmus blue, they can be man-made like mineral acid, they can be natural like organic acid. Now we shall study properties of acid. Properties of acid or acids. As I have told, acids are sour in taste. Acids are sour in taste. Acid can change blue litmus red. The blue litmus paper can be converted into red litmus paper by acids. Then some other chemical properties like acid react with metals to produce salt and hydrogen. Acids react with metals to produce salt and hydrogen gas. That is, we can write like that: acid react with metal to give salt and hydrogen gas. For example, acid like HCl this react with metal like zinc to produce zinc chloride. Zinc chloride. Valency of zinc is 2, therefore 2 is placed with chlorine. And hydrogen. We know that hydrogen when alone is written as H2. So hydrogen, here it is 1 and here it is 2. So therefore for balancing we place this. You can check yourself, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2 Cl. So now it is balanced. It is acid, hydrochloric acid. It is metal, zinc metal. It is salt, zinc chloride. It is salt and it is hydrogen. Zinc chloride. So thus metal or react with acid to form salt and hydrogen. One more example, like similarly H2SO4, which is an acid, react with the metal zinc to form ZnSO4 plus H2. You can write upward arrow with H2 because it is a gas, and in first chapter I have told you that an upward arrow can be placed with gas. So it is H2SO4 plus zinc, ZnSO4 plus hydrogen. So these are example, first example and second example. So it is sulfuric acid, that is acid. I want to show acid plus metal gives salt and hydrogen. Acid again zinc metal, that is metal give zinc sulfate, which is a salt. So give salt and hydrogen. One more example, HNO3, which is an acid, nitric acid. React with again zinc metal. It will produce zinc nitrate. And hydrogen. Here it is 2 and here it is 2. So nitric acid, that is acid, react with zinc metal, that is metal, to produce zinc nitrate, which is a salt, and hydrogen. So thus we have seen that acids react with metal to form salt and hydrogen, as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid react with zinc metal to produce their respective salt, zinc chloride, zinc sulfate, zinc nitrate and hydrogen gas. The next property of acid. Acid react with base. Acids reacts with bases to form salt and water. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. This reaction is known as neutralization. It is an important point. Reaction. So thus next property of acid as well as bases are neutralization reaction. Acid react with base to form salt and water. In short, we can write acid react with base to form salt and water. For example, acid like HCl react with base like NaOH to form salt, NaCl, sodium chloride, NaCl, and water. So here it is acid, hydrochloric acid, main word is acid, and this is sodium hydroxide, which is a base. This sodium chloride, which is also known as common salt, edible salt, the salt which we used in cooking, it is a salt, and this is water. So thus we are observing an important property of acid as well as property of base. Acid react with base to form salt and water, as hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water. Then next property is that acids react with metal oxide to form salt and water. Acids react with metal oxide to form salt and water. Acid like HCl react with metal oxide like copper 2 oxide to form water and salt. So here we will write that H2O CuCl2. So this will be copper chloride, CuCl. Now first metal, then non-metal, plus H2O. For balancing, it is HCl 1H, here there are 2H. I have told you that while balancing, number of atom of each element should be equal on both sides, and when they are unequal, we have to make them equal. Hydrogen is 1, here hydrogen is 2, so we have to equalize them. For making equal, we shall not reduce anyone, we shall increase. So these shall be made 2. While increasing, we shall write in front, not here. So now hydrogen is 2, hydrogen is 2, chlorine are 2, chlorine are 2, copper is 1, copper is 1, oxygen is 1, oxygen is 1. So this is balanced. It is hydrochloric acid, it is copper oxide, but copper 2 oxide, which is a metal oxide. Copper has valency 1 as well as 2. If it has valency 1, then it is known as cuprous. If valency 2, then cupric. Or you write in simple form copper valency 1 or 2, here it is 2. तो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड रिएक्ट विद कॉपर ऑक्साइड टू फॉर्म कॉपर क्लोराइड एंड वाटर, दैट इज salt acid react with metal oxide to form salt and water. Then last property of the acid, sixth property, acids react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal hydrogen carbonate are also known as metal bicarbonate. Hydrogen carbonate also known as bicarbonate. Acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate to produce salt, water and carbon dioxide. For example, or at first we write in words that acids react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate to form salt, water and carbon dioxide. Acid metal carbonate forms salt, water and carbon dioxide, or acid metal hydrogen carbonate forms salt, water and carbon dioxide. It's mean any one. For example, we can take acid as HCl plus Na2CO3. What is Na2CO3? It will form NaCl plus water plus CO2. For balancing, we shall place 2 here because hydrogen is 2 on that side and Na is 2 on that side, 1 on that side, 2. So now it is balanced. Hydrogen 2, chlorine 2, Na2, CO3, this CO2 plus 1. So this is acid, hydrochloric acid react with metal carbonate, sodium carbonate, metal carbonate, name is sodium carbonate, to give salt. It is salt which is sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So this is acid react with metal carbonate to form salt, water and carbon dioxide. Another example can be taken. This is first example and second example. We can again take hydrochloric acid and now we take metal hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. It is sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, to give same thing NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. So these H1 and H1H2 are here, Na this, Cl this, and CO3 this plus this. So this is sodium hydrogen carbonate, yes, so sodium bicarbonate. So in this example I have shown that acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate or metal bicarbonate to produce salt, water and carbon dioxide. So thus we have studied properties of acids also. Now next topic, what is common in all acids? What is common in all acids? देखिए, all acids when ionized in water they produce hydrogen ion aqueous or hydronium ion. All salts produce hydrogen ion aqueous, hydrogen ion aqueous when dissolved in water, dissolved in water. So this is what is common in all acids. All acids produce hydrogen ion aqueous. Now next point is why hydrogen ion is written as hydrogen ion aqueous and not hydrogen ion. The question is that why this aqueous is placed and not only hydrogen ion. So its answer or solution, hydrogen ion is obtained only when acid came in contact with water. That is, hydrogen ion is obtained only in presence of water. Hydrogen ion are formed only in water. That is, it is hydrogen ion when water is present, then they form this ion. Its name is either hydronium ion or hydrogen ion aqueous. So H3O is hydronium ion or hydrogen ion aqueous. That is hydrogen ion aqueous. So therefore we shall write hydrogen ion as hydrogen ion aqueous or hydronium ion, that is this H3O, and not only hydrogen ion. Now next point is that do all substances that contain hydrogen are acid? do all substances that contain hydrogen are acids. So it is true that all acids contain hydrogen, but it is not true that all hydrogen containing compounds are acid. It is true that all acids contain hydrogen. For example, H2SO4, it is acid, contain hydrogen. HNO3, nitric acid, it is acid, contain hydrogen. HCl, it is acid, hydrochloric acid, contain hydrogen. But all compounds containing hydrogen are not acids. For example, glucose, C6H12O6, alcohol, which is known as ethanol, formula is C2H5OH, contain hydrogen, but they are not acid. The reason is that because their hydrogen doesn't dissociate into hydrogen ion aqueous. So what is the reason? Here I shall write the reason. Because hydrogen of C6H12O6, that is glucose, or C2H5OH, that is alcohol or ethanol. So because hydrogen of C6H12O6 or C2H5OH does not dissociate in hydrogen ion aqueous, so only those substances whose hydrogen dissociate into hydrogen ion aqueous are acid, and whose hydrogen does not dissociate into hydrogen ion aqueous are not acid. So we have studied that acids are sour, they convert blue litmus red. They can be organic acid which are obtained from animals or plant. They can be mineral which are man-made and obtained from the minerals of the earth. Properties of acid, that is they react with base to form salt and water, which is neutralization reaction. They react with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate to form salt, carbon dioxide and water. They react with metal oxide to form salt. And then we remember the important property that compound which contain hydrogen, if their hydrogen dissociate into hydrogen ion aqueous, then they are acid, and the compound whose hydrogen not dissociate into hydrogen ion aqueous, they are not acid. In spite of it, they contain hydrogen. Thank you.